Okay. First of all, it's a little dirty now because I put it up here to sit. So what I wanted to show you, out of the box we put it together. It works as, say we've already loosened this up because we wanted to take it apart to store it. But right out of the box, as you can see, the whole corner is busted. But it does work. It's very lightweight, but it is sturdy. As I said, you can carry it easily. This hooks to a water hose easily. This drains really well. I don't really have any other things to say, but you know, for the price, you'd think that if it was shipped, it wouldn't have the corner crushed in already. That's my only complaint.